All right, so here goes an overview of our, come on, pot.
And my soda.
No, so you're not gonna look for that stuff.
Yeah, what happened to you?
Okay. Okay. Not gonna just eat it all by yourself.
Why not?
No.
This is unsalvageable.
Go down.
I gotta eat all of it.
Go down. That's not okay.
Okay, you just made it slide to the left.
Just because it slid to the left, you finna eat it all.
Look, it was all the way over here. At least I shook it back a little bit this way.
Okay, so that means you have to eat it all.
I gotta eat all of it because it don't look presentable anymore.
To who?
To nobody.
So if it's not, then why you still eating it?
Because when I eat it, it's gonna be gone and we ain't gotta look at it no more. Like ugly.
Okay. Is it good?
Delicious.
Okay. Now that we are back to regular schedule, we went to the grocery store, just picked up a little bit of things just to get us by for a little bit. So here it goes. Let's do a grocery haul. Son, go sit down. Okay, so what I am going to do, I have this little notepad I down, and I'm going to add to this as I go through and put up my groceries, things that I may have, you know, forgotten about, or it just wasn't on this grocery trip. Like I saw that we didn't get the spray, the butter spray, the Pam. So I'm going to go ahead and add it on this list, you know, to keep like bread, eggs, milk, you know, things like that. Yeah. Anywho, so today, bagel thins. Okay, so pretty much is an overview of what $300 will get you right here. Yeah, you can make pretty good meals with it, like a lot of rice, ideas with the potatoes that I spoke about and stuff like that. So this is it, and we already went to the grocery store, so we didn't get a lot of meats on this run. We already got chicken in the freezer, like chicken thighs and things like that. So this was like all the filler things, like the lunch meats that you go out of fast, you know, things like that. So this is it, like quick meals for like on a Saturday afternoon. We're playing games and just need something quick to put in the air fryer, this kind of stuff. My oldest son requested the Rally's ones, but they only had this one. These bagels are so good. We got this when we went and got like the chicken thighs and stuff out of Publix. So everything bagel, really good. Yeah, tater tots, the bread, the Splenda, my creamer, and so yeah, this is it. I ended up with the two. This is the feta cheese that I normally use, but I didn't want to get this and then I'll be disappointed. So if it's good enough, I'll use it in my salads, and then I can use it in my tacos. I'll use them simultaneously, you know. And then these butter, it comes out of Sam's, so good. And then this one is so we can use that on like toast and things in the morning. And then this one is really, really good. I use it to cook with, put it in our vegetables, things like that. Biscuits will be good with these kind of butters. Shrimp, I needed that yesterday when I made when I made chicken fried rice. I needed some of those. Okay, that's it. Ooh. Yes, Taco Tuesday. So we're doing fish tacos. I have me a margarita. You know, getting the vibe. Taco Tuesday. Love this rice right here. We use this, we put it in the rice cooker. I already have a few bags sold, so I just got a smaller one just so we can make sure we never run out. We use it breakfast, lunch, dinner, rice bowls. We really like rice. It fills you up and it's not expensive. And everybody can like make their rice bowls how they want. Put beans, not put beans, add corn. It's perfect. So start doing rice bowls in your house if you know, cheap meals. And then everybody can customize it. I think we like that. This fish is swahi. We usually get it from Sam's Club, but we wasn't by Sam's Club, but this is how it looks. A swahi. There you go. It's a nice light white fish. Y'all know what's funny? So we all ended up picking up because we know it was Taco Tuesday today, right? So Jordan found a guacamole. Darnell had put one in the buggy, and I had put one. So tell me why we're gonna end up with 3 different brands, 3 different guacamoles. And I meant to go through them and see which one we all agreed on and put one back, but they all got scanned. So now we have 3 guacamoles. Grocery haul. We hadn't did a grocery haul in a while. Now I have to go ahead and clean my refrigerator out. This is a mess, and like we just keep buying a little bit of stuff, but I need to pull everything out, reorganize, because we have a bulk of frozen refrigerated food currently looking like things that needs to just get pulled out, like pieces of lemon that I try to use to clean my microwave out, like to put the half of lemon in the refrigerator, whatever. This is almost gone, so we need to go ahead and toss that out. This is almost gone, you know, so pineapple juice, I really ain't had nowhere to put it at the time, but it's still brand new. Yeah, I just bought this stuff, like we went to Publix literally yesterday or Sunday, and so I got like strawberries that I need to go ahead and get together. This is pretty much almost gone, so I need to get rid of this. And then we just used these mushrooms last night for dinner. So these just need to be washed out. This is for my onion.
I don't want to pop for your video anymore. Sorry.
It's scratchy. You have this type of ice that you have to dig in.
Get you a scooper.
It's just more sanitary. Who wants their hands all in there?
Mm.
Like, we went to somebody's house and they didn't have a scooper, so I just drink warm drink. I couldn't do it. Get you a scooper. Cost like $2. Not even that. You probably find them at the Dollar Tree. And then periodically I come over here to the sink and I wash it off and put it back. Yeah. So it's Taco Tuesday. Did you realize it? It was Taco Tuesday. I got my little margaritas to celebrate. You gonna have your margarita?
Nope.
Nope. Well, one will be in the freezer for me next time. But anyway, yeah, like we already had like packs of chicken, and this is ground sirloin and things like that that's already in here. Y'all, so that's why we didn't get too much meat. And look how tiny this freezer is. Oh my goodness. Our new house, we're gonna have to get a deep freezer ASAP. What are you trying to do? Get away from it before you bend your phone. My calf shoes out of my room.
Yeah. You know you could just order the shoes.
Well, we've been told you to do that too, but you chose not to cooperate. House shoes, son. House shoes. So, because I'm in here cleaning and it's not a ton of room in this little apartment, we're gonna improvise. So I'm giving Darnell my little salad thing. I'm gonna have him start cutting up this cabbage. So once I've cleaned this out, I can hear him just throw the fish. It's not gonna take that long, but a few minutes. It's still pretty early, we're just 5:45, so we're doing good on time. But yeah, I wanted to get done. So he can start. Usually we get the like I said, the pre-cut one, but they just didn't have it today. This was the last one here. So he's gonna cut it up, put it in here, and then when it's in here, I'm gonna wash it off after. It'll be easier for him. All right, here is the cutting bowl and all that, Darnell. Which knife do you want? The gray one? And this is my dedicated toothbrush to clean, because if you have salads and stuff, sometimes they get stuck in there. So yeah. What is that?
What is that?
Oh, he's cooking. and start. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the fish in as I finish organizing my refrigerator because I'm struggling a little bit. The fish is pretty thawed. So I'm gonna get this placed into over here in the skillet. I'm having problems arranging it and I still need to fit this inside. So I may have to lift this back up where it was at. I tried to lower it and move things around, but it's just not working. I have my fruits and creamers and all of that on that level. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna have to do. But it's coming along, it's coming along. Okay, this is what I was able to get accomplished. I'm tired. And we're about to eat dinner, but here goes the eggs. I put the cheesecake in this cute little dome, the bottle of wine, and then down here I was able to get all the creamers in, the fruits here so we can see it and it don't, you know, go so bad if it's back down here out the way. So we put the fruit there, and then here's just like little overpow in this container. Then all the beverages is here. All of my salad things are down in here for now. So this is what I have, and then all these ugly sauce bottles, and then this is the top with the butters, and yeah, that's my, and then the freezer made it work. Did what I could do for the freezer. A margarita I'm about to have, and then these I freeze because like I said, we get them in bulk. And so yeah, this is it. Okay, I'm around the rim. Okay, I really prefer sugar, but I'm gonna just use the salt because that's what I picked up today. But go ahead and just pour this in there. And this is gonna be my simple margarita. Not bad. It's not bad at all. I had to put on my waist trainer. I had to take and put the little thing off and put my waist trainer. So yeah, eat dinner. Okay, here goes dinner. So this is a completed fish taco, fish and cabbage, a little sour cream, a margarita. Taco Tuesday is done. Grocery shopping is done. Bored of you?
I don't know.
That's how this feels to you?
Yeah, that's what
It looks pretty. Taco Tuesday. Well, fish tacos.
I'm talking about the fish.
They're your fish tacos.
You want to come get it?